This is going to be a walk across the promenade, again on a port day in Cozumel, so very few people are going to be around in the morning, so it should be fairly empty. I'll point out some of the main things that we went and saw. We're going to start off here. I'll turn around. We're in the Star Lounge, and also they have the Connoisseur Club and Cigar Lounge next door. This is a pretty nice lounge. So we'll start our walk. You can see, if you look straight ahead, you will see the main promenade. We're going to have to go around the staircases. As we enter the promenade, probably the most popular place, or one of the most popular places, is Sorrento's Pizza. It's closed right now, but it opens up usually at 2 p.m. It's got actually surprisingly good pizza and really good desserts. On the right is the Fashion Boutique, which is just like purses and stuff. In the evenings, this promenade is packed with people, but during the days, especially port days, it's pretty empty. Left, you'll see the shopping desk, where you can get discounts for shopping in port. On the right, you'll see the Hoof and Claw Pub, and on the left, you'll see the entrance from the promenade to the casino, which is too smoky for my taste. I wish they'd banned smoking completely on the ship. On the right, you'll see all the logo and souvenir shops. And the left, Vintages, which is a wine bar. On the right, you'll see the general store up here, which has the tastings and the duty-free liquor, which is always possible, or popular. And finally, here on the left, you'll have the Ben Jerry's ice cream, which is a charge. And on the right, the Cafe Promenade, which is 24-hour coffee and also free coffee, free desserts, but also pay for Starbucks. Left is a cupcake shop, which is costing. And then on the right here, we'll have the Next Cruise office, which is where you can book your next cruise at a slight maybe a slight better deal than you get elsewhere. Then at the end here on the left, you have guest services, which has a very big line on the first day, so try to avoid it. And on the right, you'll see a bar that people frequent here at the in the main promenade. Finally, we're going to see both sets of elevators on the aft side, and then we'll walk up here and see the main dining room entrance for floor 5. We'll walk into the main dining room. I don't think anyone will be in here, but I guess there are a few people having breakfast on a port day, so we'll take a look over the balcony. There you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and please subscribe.